Hi guys, today we're going review Novritsch SX23 and that's the pistol. I have done already some paint job on it and it's actually really great. I'm not going to review all the pistol, yeah, it's metal slide and all the things, but it's actually only two things what I wanna tell about the pistol. First day when I received the pistol, yeah, I had some feeding issues. There is the mag, and the problem actually there was, I think on most of the mags is that problem. On these feeding lips, actually where should BB sit on right place. When the mags was manufactured, I think just the plastic wasn't cut it out properly and there was left some pieces with plastic. To fix that, what I seen already on few videos, people start failing these holes and actually make them too big, and BBs start flying just out, jumping, and they not hold in the place. I think the right way how to really do it should be like that. Remove the easy. I'm just gonna remove this Allen key, just a pin, take it out. That's feed lips remove. They're quite tough. On other mags they coming out easy, but it doesn't matter. Remove that, and actually what I was doing, I just taken the screwdriver, and from the bottom you can see where where exactly coming this slide where the BB should go, the grooves you got from the bottom, and I just pushed them out with the screwdriver. And after I didn't have any problems with feeding, everything was fine. And don't need any failing, or maybe you little bit can fail, but with that really needs to be careful, because you can make really these holes too big and then you're gonna cause some problems, and that's it. And after you just put them back, put back together. Oops. Take the pin, place the pin in the right place, and that's it. Another one thing about what I wanna really talk is, there I got my STTI clone version. I got some upgrades done there as well. There is 150mm barrel. From beginning was TDC plate, which I put top of the SSX now, and that's the double screw one. And it actually helps, it sits a little bit better in the place, because that's Novritsch TDC plate actually didn't have on the one of the sides, even didn't have a hole, and you can't put it properly on the right place as well. It's not sitting. It's kind of like feel like quiet poor made. And yeah, another thing about silencers. When I'm shooting with STTI, there I got the silencer which always was used. That's the 135mm silencer I bought from skirm shops. They coming actually empty was. I filled it up myself with the foams, and then I printed over the nice skin. Little bit looks like the wood, and that's it. But the problem was, when I was shooting always with STTI, what I straight away noticed, even from few meters away, people usually never notice from which position I was shooting, and it's nice and quiet, and the sound kind of goes like on all sides. But when I was doing that with let's actually try. When I was doing that with SSX, on any shot, people straight away was looking on my position, and they noticed exactly from where was coming actually the shots. That is the mag. Pistol is empty. I don't know you will be able to see any differences or no. I'm using exactly same the silencer as well. Let's try it. Same silencer, same neck. It's kind of same, but still little bit more noisy. I think this one is, and that's why I later what I going to do is I got this STTI barrel extension. I removed the front side, cut it off, take it out, that's barrel and is empty tube. Later I'm gonna fill it up with the foam, will overprint exactly same the skin on the silencer, and then I'm gonna test it. Another one thing I wanna test, but I don't wanna tell about now. That's gonna be all on the next video when I'm going to do. That's it. Pistol, yeah, is really great. If I need to confirm with STTI and SSX23, then cost when I pre-upgraded this pistol STTI was exactly same when I get this one. The shoots pretty much same, but if cost is exactly same, then build quality on SSX23 definitely is much better, and all these nice little touches, these nice signs as well when you're shooting an actually nice scene, which I really love it. And that's it, guys. See you on next one when I'm going to do this silencer. I'm gonna show you how I set up, how it's work. We're gonna confirm with another one, with little one. Is it any better or no? No idea. I'm gonna check out for you. Thanks. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
No, that's it.